Is gum and teeth discomfort causing you pain and worry? You're not alone. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 proven methods to heal gum and teeth issues, with a special emphasis on a revolutionary product that can transform your oral health. Let's get started. Understanding gum and teeth health. Start with visuals showing healthy gums and teeth versus unhealthy ones. Before we delve into the solutions, it's crucial to understand the importance of gum and teeth health. Your gums and teeth play a vital role in your overall well-being, from eating to speaking and smiling. So, taking care of them is essential. But first, let's talk about an exclusive promotion that can enhance your teeth whitening journey, introducing the Power Bite dental product. It's not just a game changer for gum health, but it can also play a significant role in teeth whitening. The unique blend of ingredients promotes oral health and teeth brightening. Keep watching to learn how you can get your hands on this fantastic product. Now, let's dive into the 5 proven methods to heal gum and teeth discomfort, with a special mention of the Power Bite dental product. 1. Maintain excellent oral hygiene. Our first method is a fundamental one. Ensure you brush and floss regularly to keep your gums and teeth clean and free from harmful bacteria. 2. Power Bite dental product. Second, we have the Power Bite dental product, designed to address gum and teeth health issues. It's packed with the right ingredients to help heal and protect your oral health. We'll tell you more about this shortly. 3. Warm saltwater rinses. Gargling with warm saltwater can help reduce inflammation and promote gum and teeth healing. 4. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel can soothe gum irritation and aid in the healing process. 5. Maintain a healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals is essential for gum and teeth health. Your diet can support the healing process. Don't just take our word for Power Bite. People all around the world are experiencing amazing results with Power Bite. It's time to experience the transformation yourself. It's true, though, that nothing works for 100% of the people who try it, as each body works in its own way. That's why every bottle of Power Bite comes with an ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee from the moment your order arrives on your doorstep. Get Power Bite discount from official website. Check below in description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, here's to fresh breath and radiant smiles.